Navigating cash advance apps when your income stream isn't tied to a traditional payroll setup can be challenging, especially when trying to figure out specific platform rules. MoneyLion is one of the most popular financial technology apps on the market, largely recognized for its Instacash feature, which lets users access funds before payday. Understanding how the platform evaluates user accounts helps determine whether getting an advance without a standard direct deposit is feasible. The short answer is that you can technically use MoneyLion without setting up a direct deposit into a MoneyLion spend account, but you cannot bypass the requirement for regular electronic income deposits entirely. MoneyLion's system relies heavily on transaction history to verify that you have a steady source of income to repay the advance. This means that while a dedicated MoneyLion checking account with direct deposit is not strictly mandatory, connecting an external bank account that regularly receives recurring income is a fundamental requirement. To qualify for Instacash using an external bank account instead of a MoneyLion account, you must link a personal checking account that is at least 60 days old. This account needs to show a consistent history of incoming deposits from a payroll provider, government benefits, or a pension. MoneyLion's automated system looks for at least 3 consecutive recurring deposits from the same source to verify your earning pattern. Manual cash deposits, peer-to-peer transfers from apps like Venmo or Zelle, and mobile check deposits do not count as qualifying income. The main limitation you will face if you do not use MoneyLion's native direct deposit setup is your borrowing limit. Users who link an external bank account without utilizing MoneyLion's spend or setting up direct deposits directly into the app generally receive much lower initial Instacash limits, often starting around $10. Conversely, users who set up qualifying recurring direct deposits into a MoneyLion account can unlock maximum limits scaling all the way up to $500 or even $1,000 for eligible members. Another alternative within the ecosystem is the Credit Builder Plus membership. If you apply and get approved for a credit builder loan through MoneyLion, the structure of that product sometimes grants you expedited access to Instacash features because the platform has already verified your financial background through alternative metrics. However, this still requires a linked external account with a stable history so that repayments can be automatically debited when they come due. If your income comes from freelance work, gig economy platforms, or irregular side hustles, qualifying can become significantly more difficult. Because MoneyLion requires a predictable schedule of recurring deposits to automate repayments safely without triggering overdrafts, unpredictable income streams often fail to meet the algorithmic criteria. Traditional gig economy deposits sometimes register, but they lack the uniform predictability that the system scans for during the verification window. Reviewing your options carefully before linking accounts ensures you choose the right path for your financial situation. While external linking provides a workaround to avoid moving your primary direct deposit, keeping expectations managed regarding lower borrowing tiers will prevent frustration when first accessing the platform's liquidity features.